Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your friend Lakshmi Yadav, and today I have made this video as my asset has been arrived, Wipro asset. So we will going to do the unboxing of this asset. Let's see what we have got in this asset. So I'm just doing this unboxing of my Wipro asset. Let's see what we have got in this asset. Here my cutting is done. Whoa. Okay, fine. As I have opened this, I got a bag first of all. So, see guys, what I have got. I got this Lenovo bag. Okay, this is the Lenovo bag. Let's see in this bag what I have got. Okay, fine. Here is my assets. Okay, this is the asset that I have got from the Wipro organization, and it is quite packed very safely. I'm just opening this. Just a minute. Here I have done with my opening. Oh my god, this is one of the awesome asset that I have got from Wipro. This is the ThinkPad Lenovo. Okay, ThinkPad E14, and let's see what more I have got. I've got this charger with this adapter. Okay, and anything else that I have got. Let's check it out. Anything else? Okay, fine. I got one more thing, that is this mouse. I got a mouse from attached with this asset. Okay, तो हम इसको देखते हैं कि कैसा माउस है लेनोवो का. Cool, not bad. एक क्यूट सा ThinkPad का माउस मिला है with a one cell, and that's it guys, that's it. So this is the asset that I have received from Wipro guys. This was one of the beautiful surprise as I have received this assessment on this Teachers Day. So thank you so much Wipro, thank you so much. And if you like my video, please go and subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much.